Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're on Windows 11 22H2 and are using some 32-bit applications that actually save, copy, and share files, especially if you were connected, because it's unclear. A lot of people that had that problem were connected to network drives, but some people not connected to network drives said they had that problem where you save a file and you get a message, an error message. It doesn't want to save. And the workaround that Microsoft had said to use until now is to just try 2 or 3 times. It will eventually save. It has to do, of course, with certain types of 32-bit apps that actually specific applications that are using the copy file API. And that's mostly 32-bit apps like old versions of Office and so on. And maybe you've had 32-bit apps also of third-party companies that you had problems saving files to. Well, today's Patch Tuesday fixes that issue for everybody. So apparently if you had that issue happen, if you had problems and you had to save 2 or 3 times before it did, they have fixed the issue today. So they say that things should be back to normal with this. On Windows 10 and Windows 11 21H2, that had been fixed when it happened. They fixed it because they removed the update. They did what we call a known issue rollback. And so they actually removed what caused the issue. But 22H2 in Windows 11 was still affected. They couldn't use that option. So now apparently it is fixed today, and that it should be working fine. And that comes as a bug fix, which could happen sometimes through the Patch Tuesday updates of today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.